Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best ring lights are probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any content creator looking to elevate their video quality, offering a soft, flattering, and even illumination that minimizes harsh shadows and creates that coveted professional catch light in your eyes, transforming your appearance on camera and making your videos instantly more engaging and visually appealing to your audience. Number 5. UBeesize LED Video Light Kit. Meet your new essential lighting companion. This kit offers adjustable brightness and angles, perfect for any shooting scenario you can imagine. Experiment with 4 different color filters to create unique visual effects. It's ideal for a wide range of content creation, from YouTube videos to product photography. The included tripod stand provides stable support and adjustable height, from low angles to high ones. It's perfect for video conferencing, streaming, and more. Power your lighting easily with any USB port. This provides continuous illumination, ensuring your subject is always perfectly lit, no matter the situation. Elevate your video and photography with this all-in-one lighting solution. It's designed to help you capture the best moments with professional quality lighting. What we like. This kit offers great flexibility with its adjustable panel and included color filters for diverse visual effects. It's powered by USB, making it incredibly convenient for various setups. If you're looking for an affordable and versatile lighting solution for product photography, online courses, or video conferencing, this is a solid choice. What people say. These things are bright, they plug right into my laptop, making them easy to use. They could also be used on the go with an AC converter in a vehicle. They're USB. Small but bright. Tons of color options. Super lightweight as well. These easily store in my laptop bag, making it quick and hassle-free to take these with me on the go. I like that I can pick different colors and then different brightness settings. This definitely helps make the subject bright in a dark room area. The brightness these LED lights deliver is truly exceptional. The adjustable brightness levels cater to a variety of lighting needs, from soft and subtle to bright and dynamic. The color temperature control is a game changer. Being able to switch between warm and cool lighting allows me to create the perfect ambience for any mood or setting. Number 4. Neewer 660 LED Video Light and Stand Kit. Experience versatile lighting with our bicolor LED panel. Adjust the color temperature from warm to cool and fine-tune the brightness to perfectly match any scene. Its high CRI ensures true-to-life colors for all your creative projects. Crafted with a premium metal design, this light efficiently dissipates heat without noisy fans. The included barn doors help you shape the light precisely, while the U-bracket allows for 360-degree adjustments. Power your shoot using the AC adapter or go wireless with optional batteries for ultimate portability. The clear LCD screen displays brightness, color temperature, and battery status at a glance. Set up your lighting exactly where you need it with the sturdy aluminum alloy stand. It extends up to 75 inches and features secure locking knobs for reliable stability. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to elevate your photography and videography. Get 2 LED lights, 2 stands, power adapters, and convenient carrying bags to take your setup anywhere. What we like. Featuring bicolor LEDs and a high CRI of 96+, this light ensures authentic color reproduction and flicker-free illumination. Its premium metal design aids in heat dissipation without noisy fans. If you need reliable, professional-grade lighting for studio work, portraits, or product photography where color accuracy is paramount, this is the one to consider. What people say. The lights are bright, adjustable, and perfect for both photos and videos. The stands are sturdy and easy to set up, and the carrying bags make it super convenient to travel with. They provide bright, even lighting with adjustable color temperature, making them perfect for video recording, photography, or streaming. The build feels sturdy and professional, and the lights are easy to set up and position. Excellent shine and durability. The construction is good and durable. The quality of the stands is good enough and the controls are very easy to use. Number 3. Neewer 660 Pro RGB LED Video Light Kit. Experience powerful and versatile lighting with this kit. It provides flicker-free illumination with adjustable color temperature and brightness, plus full RGB color options. It's perfect for a wide range of creative projects. Achieve natural and vivid colors with its ultra-high CRI. It also includes 9 special lighting modes to enhance your shooting environment and add creative flair. Easily control these lights using your smartphone. The dedicated app allows you to adjust brightness, color temperature, hue, saturation, and even save your favorite lighting presets. Modify the light beam with the included barn doors and soften harsh glare with the diffuser. The adjustable tripod stands ensure you can position the lights perfectly. Power these lights using the included AC adapters or optional batteries. This offers flexibility for both studio and on-the-go shooting scenarios. What we like? This kit brings a new level of creative control with its full 360 degrees RGB color spectrum and intelligent app control. It also includes special scene modes to enhance your shooting environment. If you're a content creator, influencer, or streamer who wants to add dynamic and customizable lighting effects to your videos, this is an excellent option. What people say. The intuitive interface and user-friendly controls make it incredibly easy to adjust various settings such as brightness, color temperature, and RGB color values right from my smartphone. The 660 Pro RGB LED lights offer a wide range of color options and lighting effects, allowing me to get creative with my lighting setups and add visual interest to my projects. The adjustable height and angle options make it easy to position the lights exactly where I need them, whether I'm shooting in a studio or on location. Number 2. GVM RGB LED Video Light 1000D Pro. Experience unparalleled illumination with our advanced video light, featuring 736 LED beads for exceptional brightness. It delivers a powerful 45W output, ensuring your shots are naturally vibrant and perfectly lit, filling your entire studio space. Elevate your productions with 8 built-in scene modes that simulate various lighting conditions. From flickering candlelight to dramatic lightning, these effects add depth and realism, saving you valuable editing time. Take full command of your lighting with our updated app. Connect seamlessly via Bluetooth to adjust brightness, color temperature, hue, saturation, and scene modes directly from your smartphone. Streamline your setup with the Master-Slave Control mode. Designate one light as the master and effortlessly manage multiple lights simultaneously, ensuring consistent lighting across your entire setup. Our versatile lighting solution offers dual power options. Use the included AC adapter for studio work or a compatible battery for on-the-go flexibility, indoors or out. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to achieve professional quality results. You'll receive 2 LED video lights, light stands, diffusers, a convenient carrying bag, and a user manual. What we like? Boasting 736 LED beads for super brightness and advanced Bluetooth app control, this light offers a natural and vivid shooting effect. The Master-Slave Control mode allows for easy management of multiple lights. If you're setting up a studio for YouTube, video shooting, or conferences and need powerful, easily controllable lighting, this kit is a fantastic choice. What people say. They have 2 dial controls on the back that allow for adjusting brightness and adjusting hue, saturation, and temperature. The app process is simple and it doesn't take long to get everything connected. This is what makes this light so valuable for your shoot since you don't have to run around to adjust them by hand. Not only can you control them from the app, but they can be set up in host slave configuration so that you are only adjusting one light, and then the other will follow along with whatever that light does. They have special themes, such as party modes, a paparazzi flash effect, and a lightning effect. This makes them a great candidate for videos all the same, for example, special effects music videos. The lights with built-in flags and diffusers fold down flat and are about an inch thick. The stands fold into themselves to be less than 2 feet long. Every piece comes with a velvet bag to protect it while in the supplied case. The case is hard, but flexible. It takes me about 2 minutes from in the case to fully set up. It's all extremely simple to figure out. No need for the GVM app, as there are 2 knobs and several buttons to change the mode, white tungsten, RGB, effects, and to change the brightness or saturation when in RGB mode. Number 1. Neewer 18 LED Video Lighting Kit. Introducing the Neewer 18-inch LED Video Lighting Kit, your solution for professional lighting. This kit is designed to provide soft, continuous, and flicker-free illumination for all your creative needs. Achieve the perfect look with customizable lighting. Adjust brightness from 1% to 100% and fine-tune color temperature from 3200K to 5600K to match any environment or mood. Capture colors as they truly are with a CRI of 97+. This ensures your subjects are rendered with exceptional accuracy and vibrancy in every shot. Take full command of your lighting setup without leaving your position. The included 2.4 GHz remote allows for easy adjustments across 40 channels and 4 groups. Stay powered up wherever your creativity takes you. Choose between the AC adapter for studio use or dual Sony NPF batteries for portable shooting. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started: 2 LED panel lights, 2 light stands, power adapters, cables, a carrying bag, and a remote control. What we like? This large LED panel kit provides soft, continuous, and flicker-free lighting with a high CRI of 97+. The included remote control allows for easy adjustments to brightness and color temperature across multiple channels and groups. If you're a content creator, streamer, or photographer who values soft, customizable lighting and convenient remote operation, this kit is ideal. What people say. These are dimmable with a remote, which is a plus. You can adjust the temperature, install 2 970 batteries per each light. Just awesome. They are super bright and balanced. Color range is great. They are simple to understand and easy to set up. The accuracy of the light reading and the ability to easily read the Kelvin scale on the light, turning it from white to yellow light. They are easy to set up, store beautifully in the included storage bag, and work great plugged in. They do have an option to add batteries for cord-free operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.